Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss the Shopify test order not working. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store here and you're testing some orders and it's not working, there is a few things you can do here or check in order for you to make it work. So first things first is you need to make sure that you set up your store properly here. So first is you want to check your products. Now, for the products here, make sure that you have enough inventory on that specific product. So in this case, you want to go open up the product that you want to maybe buy from here, and you want to go ahead and basically indicate if it's going to be tracked, if you want to track the quantity for this one. So same thing again with other products. So in this case, the other product is not tracked, but mine or the other product I have right now is actually tracked. So it is tracking the quantity I have right now. So currently I have like 100 for white here, but then again, check your products and see if you have enough quantity. Now, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you set up your test gateway for payment, or your bogus gateway for payments here. So you want to go to your settings at the bottom left here, and you want to go to your option for payments. And from here, depending on your region, you might have the option for Shopify payments. But in some countries, Shopify payments might not be available, so you need to use the for testing bogus gateway, which is the testing payment method that you could get for your store. So just give you the idea, I'm going to click on manage, and I want to go and click on deactivate here. And from here, once we actually deactivate this one, as you can see, it is what's going to look like. So if you do see this option here, payment providers, it means you haven't set up your bogus gateway or your test gateway for payments. So in this case, just click on choose provider here. Look for testing bogus gateway, or choose any of the following options here. If I'm not mistaken, some of the gateways here actually have their own testing switch on them. So if you already have an account with them, you want to go and connect them and basically turn on the switch for the testing option for the gateway. Now, another thing that you might want to basically remember here is whenever you, like for example, you've activated your testing gateway here. So if you, for example, you've installed this, you're using this as your payment, you want to make sure to read the instructions. Now, in this case, for certain, like for example, for, if I'm not mistaken, if you're using Shopify payments, you need to use the following numbers or test cards here to make payments. So you have Visa, MasterCard here, and you also need to follow the following steps here, like any information besides with the name on the card here. But then again, if you actually basically provide the details here, you won't have any problems. But for bogus gateway here, you need to use 1, 2, 3. So depending on what you want to simulate, like for example, approved transactions, we have 1, declined transaction is 2, and gateway failure is 3. So in this case, just follow those steps here and you should be good. Now, another thing that you might want to check here is going to be your apps. Now, when you go to apps here, and recently you've installed another app here that is directly related to payments, so you might want to uninstall or disable that first and see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so those are the things that you can do here to probably solve your issue. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.